What's up? Ignore all that sound. I am sorry. There's nowhere else I can do this video. And today I got this from B&H Photos. B&H Photos had the Sony ZV-1 used for only $560, and it just didn't have any cameras. I mean, it just didn't have any pictures. And I was really skeptical about it because I didn't know if it came with a box. It said it was like a number 9, so I forgot what the details were, but I'll put it up on the screen right now. And it just made me think, like, how bad is it? Could it be scratched up, or is it like just brand new and someone just returned it? I'm not too sure. This is what came in the mail today, so we're about to see what B&H Photos got for us today. And sorry about this angle. This is the only angle I could do. I have a small desk. I don't have much space. Okay. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, there we go. We got the ZV-1 right there. I said ZV-1. I've watched too many YouTubers that try to like say ZV-1. Okay. All right, there's a cut right there. So whoever got into this box before, damn, that's just cut right through. So box is a little messed up, a little cut up. A little taped up right there. I wonder if I can peel this off. So here's the box, guys. Just that little cut. Let's just see how it looks on the inside. All right, here goes nothing. This is $560, so that's 25% off versus paying, I think right now it's still going for $750. They said it would go up to $800, but I don't think that's ever gonna happen. I think they're just gonna keep the price at $750. Brand new. All right, got the camera here. Okay, how does this look? How does this look? How does that look, guys? Right now, no scratches, no dents. Okay. Wow, this is pretty much in pristine condition. I don't see any nicks, drops. Everything looks pretty much brand new. It's like someone just returned it and didn't want it. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so you get your little dead cat. Got your little dead cat right here. Micro USB, which is very sad. I definitely wish I had a USB-C. Here's your, what do you call it? The NP-BX1 battery. You get one of those. So that's good. And that's all that's inside the box. You got the manual and everything. Just gonna put everything back in the box. So other than the box being literally sliced right here, everything's looking good. Let's see how much battery is on this, how much juice is in this battery. There we go. All right, guys. This is good. This is good video right now. All right, guys, I got the camera settings right. All right, so if I just start recording. All right, guys, so yeah, this is my setup right now. If you guys, let me see, this is zoomed out all the way. All right, so DJI Osmo Action A7 Mark II. See, it was focusing on my finger. I think product showcase is on right now. And yeah, that's how I frame myself. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how I would be vlogging. So this is real-time autofocus, autofocus. And yeah, this is like the little dead cat that goes on top, which I guess I could put on right now. But this was just an unboxing to show you guys, what do you call it? What B&H, what you get with a used B&H photo, and this was on number 9. This is crazy. This is literally like brand new. I don't see anything wrong with this. And I only bought it for $560 instead of paying $750. I think you save a lot of money and you don't lose anything. You really don't. Here's a little zoom. Yep, got some extra batteries already. Got this from Amazon, the Numa. What is this? Numa, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but I got batteries for it. Alright guys, so that was it. This was been a test, not really a test, but this has been an unboxing of the Sony ZV-1 used from B&H Photos. This is number 9. I'll have it right down here. I don't know what the numbers or scales are, but even like finding a used one on like Amazon, I think I saw the cheapest was like $688, I think, or maybe even like $670. But for B&H Photo to sell this for $560, this is a steal. This is brand new, and I definitely can't wait to start using this camera. All right, guys, that's been an unboxing of what you get in a used B&H Photo. I'm pretty happy with this camera right now. All right, guys. Peace, or peace, I don't know. Looking at both, back to back, back to back, okay? All right, guys, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.